Have you ever asked Alexa to play a song and been disappointed? That thin, tinny sound coming from a speaker you paid good money for? I've been there. So I went on a mission. I tested every major Alexa speaker on the market in 2025, from budget picks to premium beasts, to find the absolute best. And what I found wasn't just about sound quality. The number one pick, it does something I've never heard a smart speaker do before. You need to hear this. Starting at number 1. Sonos Era 100. If your budget can stretch and you want something that does a bit more than Amazon's own offerings, Sonos Mainstay Smart Speaker is the best you'll find. It's one of our favorite smart speakers, replacing the Sonos One, and this model comes with dual tweeters for stereo, has better mics than some of Amazon's leading speakers. With the Echo Studio flagging in availability, this is also our favorite Alexa speaker for music. It's got room tuning, and has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so you don't need a Sonos account to stream music with it, but you'll want one to set up the smart speaker aspect, and connects to just about every music streaming service. You could also consider the Sonos Era 300, which can function as an Alexa speaker. It supports spatial audio, but it's much larger and more expensive. While it isn't an issue for Alexa users, the Sonos Era 100 doesn't work with Google Assistant like the Sonos One did. If you want a third-party smart speaker that can connect to either one of these popular assistants, check out the JBL Authentics 200, $380, instead. Number 2. Amazon Echo Hub. The Amazon Echo Hub is similar to an Echo Show, but without the speaker. Instead, it's a thin device that feels a bit like a tablet, designed to be mounted on the wall, or placed on a separately purchased stand, which is how I used it, and used to control your smart home devices. It's a great choice for anyone who wants something focused on smart home control only. You can still ask Alexa questions and even play music, but the thin speakers aren't worth playing music from. But you can tell your Echo Hub to play music on a different set of speakers, and even set up default speakers to work with it. It's a great companion device if you already have a smart home setup. Number 3. Sonos Beam, Gen 2. The Sonos Beam is also another great Alexa soundbar because of how compact and easy it is to use. The small, pill-shaped bar will seamlessly work with any other Sonos speakers you have, and you can play music on it when you aren't binging Netflix. It sounds amazing no matter what audio is coming out of it, and it goes head-to-head with soundbars that are much larger. This Sonos speaker still allows you to switch over to Google Assistant, should you ever decide Amazon's ecosystem isn't right for you. Number 4. Amazon Echo Show 8, 3rd Gen. The Echo Show 8 has been our favorite smart display for Alexa for 3 generations in a row, with the 2023 3rd Gen model as our latest pick. We like this size more than the 5 and 10-inch versions, the smaller of which felt like a weird smartphone, the larger like a weird tablet that spins around everywhere. This one's like Goldilocks perfect porridge. It's big enough that whether updates, video chats, and recipes show up clearly, but compact enough that it doesn't take up too much countertop space. The touchscreen makes it just as easy to quickly pause a song as it is to voice command if you're standing nearby, too. Amazon has also added widgets to the Echo Show 8, so you can choose up to 3 informative little squares to pop up on the screen. The 3rd Gen model is a little pricier than the previous one because it adds a smart home hub and spatial audio. If you don't think you'll use those abilities, the cheaper 2nd Gen Echo Show 8, $130, is still a great choice. The biggest irritation I have with this device is that Amazon will now show ads on it, along with other Echo Show devices, but there are some ways to get around that. Number 5. Amazon Echo Dot, 5th Gen. The 5th generation Echo Dot is a great little speaker. It's got powerful, robust sound for its small size, and works great if you want Alexa handy on a bookshelf or on a small side table. It's one I always find myself setting up somewhere in my house, whether it's in my hallway so I can ask quick questions as I move through the house, or in my bedroom as an alarm clock. It's some of the best sound you can get for this price, especially when it's on sale. I also like the Echo Dot, 5th Gen, with clock, $60, version that adds an LED clock to the front of the speaker, but that model is starting to go out of stock, and Amazon says they don't plan to restock this version. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a new Echo Dot soon. And that, my friends, is how you find the perfect Alexa speaker for your life and your budget. No more guesswork, just pure, tested performance. Ready to bring one of these champions home? All the links to get the best deals on all 5 speakers are waiting for you in the video description down below. If this guide saved you hours of research and confusion, please pay it forward, smash that like button. It tells YouTube you love this content. Share this video with a friend or family member who's looking for the perfect sound. And for more no-nonsense, real-world tech reviews you can trust, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.